Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So I got some fresh fish yesterday, guys. My son brought it for me yesterday. Unfortunately, I forgot to ask him what is the name of this fish. So all I can say is a red fish, just perfect for my recipe for Virgin Islands fish to go with the fungi. I did a fungi recipe a way back, so I'll leave a link on the top right hand part of the screen so you can check it out. So this is how you do the fish to go with the fungi. Okay, so I've got the fish, it's already seasoned up and everything. As you can see here, freshly seasoned everything. I did my homemade green seasoning. I seasoned up my fish and everything. This is the smallest fish that I had that I decided to leave whole. The rest were quite big, so I decided to cut it up into pieces like this, you know, the piece of the tail and the steak and things like that. So I have my fish already seasoned. So let me show you the rest of the ingredients that we're going to use for this dish. So I have here one onion that I sliced up here, some butter, this is one sweet pepper. This is a mini sweet pepper that I'm going to use, and I have 1 cup of coconut milk. So any other ingredients that I will be using, I'll mention it as I go along. So let's go to the stove. Okay, so here's my pot on the stove. I'm going to add some oil. Then I'm going to add the onion. Sweet peppers. I'm also going to add the butter at this point. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to add the sauce, the seasonings water from the fish. Can't let that waste. Just for information's sake, when I seasoned the fish, I added a small bit of salt. So before I add any more salt or anything, I'm going to taste this sauce before I proceed. This is the coconut milk. Yeah, baby. Small leaf thyme, some thyme. Now I'm going to add my fish. Yes, man. Let us steam for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay folks, so here's my fish all done. Look at that sauce, lovely sauce. This has been simmering for about 10 minutes and I know the fish is fully cooked. You can see the eye of the fish there. Yeah, looking white. Okay folks, here's my Virgin Island meal all done. This is the fish that we just finished prepare, and I'm serving with some fungi. I have some cornmeal dumpling on the side here and some boiled green bananas, and this will be so delicious. This is our lunch for today. fungi fish and basically a fungi fish meal, Virgin Island style. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.